Whether you call it the AMF cocktail or the Blue Long Island iced tea, I'm going to teach you how to make this great variation on the classic cocktail. Stay tuned. What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make the Adios Mother F Drink. Now if you're new to the channel and you're looking for the best bartending tips, bartending tricks, and bartending videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here. Don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure you never miss a new video when it comes out. Now the AMF cocktail is possibly my favorite variation on the Long Island iced tea, probably because of its name. And just in case you're wondering to yourself, why doesn't Sam just say the full name of the drink? Why call it the AMF drink or the Adios Mother F cocktail or whatever it is? We're all growing here on this channel, right? Well, to be perfectly honest, I don't want to get penalized by the social media powers that be, and I'd rather play it safe than sorry. Plus, my mom was watching and she don't play like that. Now, all that being said, the AMF cocktail goes a little something like this. Grab your shaker with some ice, and then go ahead and add the following. Half an ounce of simple syrup, half an ounce of lemon juice, half an ounce of vodka, half an ounce of tequila, half an ounce of rum, half an ounce of gin, and then half an ounce of blue curacao. Give it a good shake and pour it into your glass. Then go ahead and top it off with about 3 ounces of lemon lime syrup, typically a Sprite or a 7-Up. I'm going with Sprite in this one. Garnish with a lemon wheel, and you're all set. That is the AMF cocktail in a nutshell. Quick, simple, easy, blue. As you can see, it's an awesome blue cocktail. Great if you want to have that aesthetic. Very visually pleasing. And again, the name is kind of fun to say. So it's definitely a great go-to for an occasion where you want to, I don't know, play with your guests, have something fun, make it a great talking piece. Now, if you're looking for the best bartending training to take your skills to the next level, go ahead and head over to barprints.co and check out our online course, Mixology Mastery, where I've come up with proven systems and frameworks to help you master both basic skills as well as advanced techniques to take your cocktails to the next level. Finally, if you found this video helpful, and I really hope you have, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends, and for more great bartending videos, don't forget to check out these videos right here. Thanks a lot for joining me. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next video.